everyone, today I want to show you how to create your own character avatar online. So you can design your own character avatar. So to start creating your own character, you must visit the site avatarmaker.net. Click this one and click create cartoon avatar. Then you must select a gender, female or male. So for the face, you can select here the different shape for the face. And for the mouth, and for the eyes, you can select the eyes, different types of the eyes, and the hair. And for the color, you can select, okay, this is the black. So if you want to select another color, okay, just click the circle. Okay, then for the clothes, so you can select the design for the clothes, and then also the color, you can select the color. Okay, if you want to select another color, you can click here and then you will find another color. And for the box, so you can select the color for the box. And for the design, you can select this one, different design for the box. Then for the eyes, you can select the eye shape. The iris also, you can select the shape and then you can change also the color. And then for the eyebrows, you can select the different design and then you can select here the color. Then for the glasses, so you can select here, and if you want to change the color, no glasses, no glasses. Then for the hair color, Okay, for the design, okay. Box, okay now. And then wait. Okay, I need to change that, the long hair. Then if you are satisfied with your avatar, your own design, you can download. So you will click to download your avatar. So this is the file now, my own avatar. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.